Hello, math department. This is Michelle Karn, and I just wanted to show you what I did today in Monica Armstrong's math course. She currently, in her MMR class, is working on vacations and budgeting and planning out vacations. So I looked through Achieve and I found various articles that deal in some way with vacationing. And I asked Monica to look through those articles and see if there's anyone that, stood out. She told me that her students are really gravitating towards Disney when they're planning these vacations. So I went ahead and found an article all about Disney, and I'd just like to take you through quickly. I'm not going to go through the full lesson, but take you through quickly and show you exactly what it is we did. I will tell you the students did receive a packet, and it looks like this. We had this printed off, and it was front to back, 2 pages. Okay. And what we had students do is first they went on to Achieve and they searched for the article Behind the Magic of Disney. And this is all about how Disney has gone above and beyond behind the scenes to make it a really great vacation experience. So I had them log in, and then we did the before reading poll. And I went through and explained this poll. Then I had them do vocabulary that pops up along with the article. Then I had them read the article. I pointed out that they have the possibility of having it read aloud to them. While they read the article, they actually took notes. So they pulled out the main ideas and gave some opinions and thoughts. And that is in their packet. Okay. Afterwards, they did the activity, which is an 8-question multiple choice quiz. So I had them do that, and I gave them some tips and tools that will help them to achieve that 75% or higher, which is what we want. I did have them also record that on their paper. It just made it much easier for Monica to grade with everything in one spot. Okay. So we had them do that. And then they do the after reading poll, and I explained how to go about that. Then I had them do the thought question, but we actually did it on paper. And yes, in math class, they were able to write a minimum of 5 sentences using their notes they took and then referring back to the article. They were able to go through and write. I did some model writing with them. Okay. And then once they finished that, we did a math extension question, a 3-part question. So I put it up on the board. And this is all about a trip to Disney and trying to figure out the gas mileage. And Monica hopped in at that point and talked about a concept they use called bridges and how to figure out the number of gallons they need and the total cost of gas and how to budget their money. They showed their work here, and then they put their answers to A, B, and C here. And then, I just reiterated the importance of literacy and numeracy together. And to be a functioning adult, you need to be literate and have numeracy skills as well. And, I tried to reinforce and connect what we were doing at the beginning, middle, and the end. And it went really, really well. The students were super receptive. They did great on these packets. Their math was outstanding. Their writing was outstanding. And all but one kiddo was able to take the quiz that was on Achieve. Everyone got 75% or above except for one kiddo, which I think is pretty darn remarkable. And many, many students ended up getting 100% by using my my methodology here. So I made this template up, I made the worksheet up, and I would be happy to do the same for you to manipulate whatever you're doing, try to find an article, create something. I've already been contacted by Emma, so we're going to do this as well. So reach out if you'd like to do something similar, and let's put our minds together and come up with something. Thank you, guys.